Amapiano. I'll be making an amapiano tutorial on FL Studio Mobile because I recognize that most of you like it more than trap beat. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and follow and hit the notification button and share the video. Comment down under the comment section. Now, as usual, let's get started with the shaker. Like as usual, I usually add 2 shakers, so I add another one, but this time with drums. Then I add the sample that I got from Devin Gogo, one shot. Then I add this one that I got from FL Studio Direct Wave. Then I add a log drum. As you can see, those log drums are not equal. I made them so that they can sound a little bit different, sound a little bit, different. Then I add another log drum track and then I add some log drums. As you can see, there's this other one that looks a little bit different. This is how you made a slide effect. You press it and then you press it hard, and then it will take you to toggle slide, and then you press toggle slide, and then you see it's gonna change and be different, and then you move it up or down depending on how you want it to pitch. So this is how you make a slide effect. Now let's play it. Then we add another log drum track to boost the last one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and tell me what you think and subscribe.